अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जोसेफ एंड्रयूज़ नावल जो कि लिखा है हेनरी फील्डिंग ने। उसके पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट को, उस नावल के पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट को कि क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है उस नावल का। आप लोग अगर इसकी समरी सुन के आ गए हैं पहले किसी भी चैनल से, तो मैं बार बार आपको हर वीडियो में बताती हूँ कि मेरे चैनल पे जस्ट नोट्स अपलोड होते हैं। मैं कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं बता रही होती, बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी का या फिर नॉवल का या फिर पोइट्री का, वो आपने खुद सुन के आना है किसी और यूट्यूब चैनल से, ठीक है। मेरे चैनल पे जस्ट नोट्स अपलोड होते हैं जो कि मैं अपनी स्टूडेंट जर्नी में बनाती थी, मतलब कि प्रीवियस सेमेस्टर्स में बनाती थी मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट भी इंशाल्लाह आते रहेंगे नोट्स। जोसेफ एंड्रयूज़ विच इज़ रिटन बाय हेनरी फील्डिंग। Full concept of this novel, so let's get started. Joseph Andrews, written by Henry Fielding. The story is a comic romance that follows the adventures of Joseph Andrews and Mrs. Adams on their return home from England. Main character in Joseph Andrews is the Lady Bobby, Adam, Mrs. Slipslop, Fanny, Sir Thomas Bobby, and Pamela. Joseph Andrews and Adams journey from London to their country town. They face robbers, sexual warning, and false kindness from the upper class. Major theme of this novel is chastity. Joseph and Fanny have the desire to be sexual with others, but they want to wait for marriage. In the relationship, chastity is important. Fanny and Joseph want to wait for marriage. आर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टराइजेशन, इस क्वेश्चन को हम यहाँ पे आज डिस्कस करेंगे। सो टाइम वेस्ट के बिना हमने उसका कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो ले लिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अब हम आर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टराइजेशन ऑफ जॉर्ज इलियट इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। Characterization in novel by George Eliot is unforgettable for readers due to its realism and tragic effects. When we discuss of the novel of George Eliot, we came to know that fact any characters likes real. For example, when we discuss about the famous tragic novel A Mill on the Floss, like Maggie's story is a very sad. Maggie's story is a very sad. She is being a इस लाइन को छोड़ दें बस यहाँ पे, मैगी स्टोरी इज़ वेरी सैड। उसके बाद दो लाइनों को छोड़ के नेक्स्ट आए, ट्रेजेडी इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इलियट नॉवेल्स। इन द मिल ऑन द फ्लॉस, मैगी एंड टॉम डाइड इन द एंड ऑफ द नॉवल। इन शॉर्ट, हर आर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टराइजेशन इज क्वाइट सुपर्ब एंड हर फेमस हीरोज एंड हीरोइंस आर अ proof of a toy. George Eliot, like a lot of other women's writers, depending largely upon her own experiences, George Eliot uses a lot of imagery, images, and concepts like the river. Her work is full of cultural, historical, literary, and scientific references that make it clear that the writer is very intelligent. Short summary about The Mill on the Floss, ये भी थोड़ा सा देख लें। जोसेफ एंड्रयूज़ के नावल का ना फुल कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ से आप लोग ले लीजिएगा, और आगे आप लोग आर्ट ऑफ कैरेक्टराइजेशन ऑफ जॉर्ज इलियट वो लीजिएगा, और उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट समरी देख लेते हैं द मिल ऑन द फ्लॉस की, ठीक है। द मिल ऑन द फ्लॉस रिटन बाय जॉर्ज इलियट. जॉर्ज इलियट was an English novelist, poet, journalist, translator, and one of the leading writer of the Victorian era. He was born in 1819 and he was died in 1880. The Mill and the Floss, starting from the Maggie and the Tom Tolliver, two siblings growing up in a fictional town. Mr. and Mrs. Tolliver talking about Tom education. Tolliver tell his wife he wants to send Tom to school on his hope that one day he will become a businessman. Maggie happy when Tom comes home from school. She is happy from her brother Fate, but Tom is angry with her because she fails to take care of her rabbits in his absence. अच्छा, अब टॉम जो था उसे थोड़ा नाराज़ था क्योंकि जब वो एक दिन स्कूल गया तो उसने कहा था मेरे रैबिट्स का ख्याल रखना, मेरे खरगोशों का। तो पीछे से वो स्कूल गया तो पीछे उसको जो है खरगोश आई थिंक कोई ले गया था, कुछ हुआ था उनके साथ, ठीक है, पता नहीं उनको कोई कैट खा गई थी, तो इसकी वजह से उसके साथ नाराज़ था। मैगी अपोलोजाइज, मैगी उसे माफ़ी मांगती है। टॉम एंग्री बट एट लास्ट टॉम फॉरगिव हिम, उसे माफ़ कर देते हैं। Mrs. Tolliver's sister comes for visit Maggie and Tom dislikes Mrs. Halk. She constantly criticizes them for being naughty. Mrs. Gleck also criticizes on Maggie long dark hair. She go upstairs and cut off her hair with scissors, and then Mr. and Mrs. Tolliver decided to give back 300 pounds to Mrs. Gleck. Mrs. Tolliver visit her sister's house for help to hoping to end the quarrel between Mrs. Tolliver and Clegg. Maggie jealous when Lucy and Tom playing together. She pushes Lucy into the mud, and she decided to run away from home because she feels alone. At last, Mrs. Tolliver takes a loan from the bank. Mrs. Tolliver case against his neighbors, Mrs. Pivot, that she steal water of my mill. At last, Mr. Private win the case because he hired a powerful liar named is Wackham. In stress, Tulliver fallen off his horse and is now so ill that he doesn't recognize anyone because he lose his property, money, and mill as well. Tom decided to do a job in his uncle's Dean's company. However, his uncle said Tom will get a job. On here, has a knowledge about the coding and bookkeeping skills. Finally, he get a job to study about these. After a few months, Tom tell the family that he has a financially enough money to pay off the family's money or debt. On the other hand, Maggie and Philip each other. Tom take promises from Maggie to the never meet again with Philip. Then Miss Tulliver resigned from the job for of Wickham and beat him with stick. On the way to home, Mrs. Tulliver again falls off from horse, and after a few days, he dies. Stephen is the fiance of Lucy. He fall in love with Maggie and proposed her. She rejected proposal and back her town. Here Tom already know that Tom rejected her as a sister. On day running start, Maggie's wakes and sees river is broken. She takes a boat and rescue Tom. Tom shocked that his sister has came alone to save him. In final conclusion, however, they caught in a current and died in a flood. पानी में कहीं करंट था तो उन्हें वो करंट लग जाता है और वो भी मर जाते हैं. दोनों बहन भाई मर जाते हैं पानी में. ठीक है. स्टीफन लूसी फिलिप विजिट द ग्रेव ऑफ अ टॉम एंड मैगी विदाउट with which reading in their death they were not divided. So I'm done this video. Next video tak see you soon. Allah Hafiz.